Fishing Bee and Knuckles here. We are in Cocodre, Louisiana, getting ready to go out with Jeremy Chavez with casting tails for a little fly fishing, or a whole bunch of fly fishing.
A lot of it.
Yeah, a whole bunch of redfish today. That's what we're going for. Let's see here. Yesterday was a pretty long road trip. We drove through quite a bit of rain after we got down south of Lafayette, and we've both been sicker than dogs. So yesterday we were both in bed by about 5 o'clock in the evening, and needless to say we were up pretty dang early. So rather than being a 3-part video, this is probably gonna be a 1-part fish fest. So stay tuned, and we hope you enjoy it.
Strip, slow, strip, keep stripping it. You see him? Pick it up, recast again, about 10 feet.
Yep, I see him.
You're behind him, he's facing right. He's going towards the front, you're still on his tail right now.
Okay, I see him.
Slow, strip. Just keep moving it, he's falling, just keep stripping it.
I see him.
Yeah, he turned off last minute. Bump it. Try again, you didn't see it. Down. Strip it. He ate it. Big old drum.
There you go. Let him run you.
There's got to be some redfish in there too, though. They can't all be drum. Making a little room.
Is this better than catching striper, Nick?
Oh, 100%.
I think you're making headway on him now.
I think so.
He's not sure about this, is he?
No.
Pull opposite of the direction he wants to swim.
Yeah.
So he wants to go left, pull him right, vice versa. Make him work against the way you want him to go. You can reel down more.
Okay.
Try to keep his head up.
Woo!
20 pounds. Just past his gills, but like right where his pectoral fins are.
Trying to see where it's there. They are.
You got it?
Think so.
You need a hand?
This is worth the video right here. Knuckles showing us how to hold a fish.
Oh, that's not it. Got him. Finally.
Woohoo!
No, go a little bit left. Put it left to where you landed. Right where you just landed. Right there. Strip it through there. Slow. Strip.
There he is.
There he is. All right.
There we go.
He's gonna run you.
Yeah, he's gonna make more of a run that drum.
There he goes. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Good job. You lost him. You couldn't see him anymore. Is that what was?
Yeah, I couldn't see him.
All right.
Oh man.
Use the drag, Nick. Use the drag. Don't use your palm.
Yeah.
Use the
Let
drag.
The drag do the work. Don't touch the line. And when he runs off, you gotta get your hand away from the handle.
Oh yeah.
Let the drag do the work.
I've had stripers tear up my
Knuckles.
knuckles.
Good job. Good shot.
That was a great job. That's the thing about working like this. It is a team effort.
It is.
It's the pole and the guy casting.
Oh jeez. Oh.
I'm going to go over on your side, Nick, just for a little bit. Look at all the water moving.
Yeah, they pull a little bit different than those drum pull.
Yeah, no kidding.
He's coming back at you now, so you're gonna start. Yeah, probably start reeling him in. Actually, I think he pushed another fish. There's another fish swimming by him right now. It was a big wake right by him.
You know what that fish is saying to that fish, Nick?
Run.
Sucks to be you.
Oh. He's not done.
He's not done. Oh, you're in the backing.
Oh, yes I am.
He's moving out right by the boat. Big fish.
Yeah.
I see him. He's right here. Big old redfish swimming away that way. Right there. He's about 20 yards left. Wanting to swim right.
There's leader.
There we go.
Oh yeah.
Woo! That's a beautiful red.
Oh, it's beautiful.
All right, Knuckles. That's 2. Not a bad morning.
This is what we came for. Oh, jeez. They don't give up easy.
Yeah, not as quick as the drum, dude.
Oh.
You can watch it low in the water. Put it down, in the water. Keep it in the water. Just keep it low. Low.
That's a redfish trick right there.
Yeah, no kidding.
Run underneath the boat.
Roll down. Lift up. Lift out to the side. Do it again one more time. Try to get them to flip over and turn.
There you go. Nice job.
Go underneath. Go around. You might be on this side now. Sometimes they do that. Just be ready. Yep. Exactly what you need to do. And when they have a lot of energy, you got to be ready to do it quick sometimes. Because they'll run right away. Right, back towards me. Pull. Keep pulling.
There he is.
That's a good one. He's over 20 pounds. Strip the line off the reel now.
Alright.
That's a nice fish. That is big. We cast at 12 o'clock about 15 feet out. Right? Strip. He ate it immediately. Got it.
Oh.
Strip set him. Oh, you gotta strip. You pulled back with the rod. Yeah. Right there, drop it. Strip in there. Slow strip. No. He came over the back. Put it right back, same spot. 10 more feet. Further out, a little bit left. Right there. No, a little more right, a little right. Recast, pick it up, recast. More right. Right, try that. They started swimming away. They're right over there somewhere. I lost them.
Finally.
Big strip set too.
Yeah, that was good.
You hit it pretty hard. That's what I like to see.
I saw
I wasn't
tension.
gonna let that one go.
I was about to say that was a couple strip sets.
I think I'd get kicked off the boat if I didn't do it right that time. Yeah, we're back to fly line.
What's that?
I said, now we're back to line.
How long is that flow on? Is it 100 feet?
Yeah. The good thing think I caught a fish because I didn't get a sunrise picture. He's not quite as big as yours.
He fought harder than mine though.
Yeah, he is. Got a good beat to him.